record in this computer. Now, so they gave us reoccurrence relation. You know what is the meaning of reoccurrence, everyone? Reoccurrence means when something keeps on coming again and again. Like basically you're finding, like you found U1, you're finding U2, U3, but you are using the previous value to find the next value. Understood? Like here, they give you U1 koto 7, and this formula has been, tell me, what? Screen down again. Okay, wait. Sorry. Understood now? Yeah. So now what happens is that they already gave you the formula here. Can you see they wrote UN plus 1 over here? Okay, that means what? If you want to find U2, tomorrow jodi U2 find korte hoy, you're going to write 1 over here and plus 1 to already chilo ekhane, right? You can already plus 1 chilo. I want to find U2. U1 is given to me. U1 is given to me. I want to find U2. So U2 jodi amake find korte hoy, ami UN er jagay U1 likhte parbo na, because what is 1 plus 1? U2. Okay. Then again, ekhane ami U1 likhছি না, এখানে আমাকে কি লিখতে হবে? U1 plus 4. So what will I write? U2 equals to U1. What is the value of U1? 7 plus 4. How much is it? 11. So I got my U2. Now let me find my U3. Okay, আমি এটাকে rub করতেছি. Let me rub this and let me find what? U3. If I want to find U3, what will I get? এখানে আমি কি দিব? U2 দিব. What is 2 plus 1? 3. And what is here? U2 দিব. U2 here, because I gave U2 here, so therefore I have to give U2 as well here. UN. Yeah. Okay. What was U2 we got? 11. What is 11 plus 4? 15. Everyone got this? By following this, now you guys can find U3, U4, and they said the first 4 terms. Already 2 terms, 3 terms we found. 4th term you guys can find as well. Okay, all of you find the 4th term. I'm pausing the recording. Okay. So resume recording. So you guys were able to do B part on your own. Okay. Now we will do example number 20. They have given us the first term. What is the first term here? P. What is the second term? To find the second term, third term, fourth term, they gave us this formula. Okay, now I want you guys to try যে তোমরা a n এর জায়গায় p দিবে, তোমরা a n এর জায়গায় কি দিবে? p দিয়ে তোমরা second term find করবে আর তোমরা third term ও find করবে. Remember, to find third term you have to substitute second term, right? Okay, try to show on your own with your common sense and all the math skills you guys have developed in last 12 years, okay, or 11 years, okay, what is the, whether a3 is p raised to 4 minus 2p square or not. Try doing it. I'm pausing the video, please. Resume recording. Dekho, আমি যদি a2 find করি, if I find a2 over here, dismiss. If I find a2 over here, what is a2? Now can you see আমি এখানে n এর জায়গায় p square minus 1, that is my a2. Now if I want a3, a3 এর জন্য কি লাগবে? p square minus 1 কি whole square minus 1. ঠিক আছে? Because a3 এর মধ্যে a2 টাকে কি করতে হবে? What should we do? Substitute, right? So can I open the bracket and write? Acha, I hope you guys are in class 11, you guys are in A level. I hope you guys know how does an a minus b whole square work. A minus b whole square কত? A square minus 2ab plus b square. ঠিক আছে? Now if I open this bracket, it will be p raised to 4 minus 2ab, because b is 1, plus 1. Hence what?
minus 1 sir.
No, minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 কি হবে? Cancel. So p raised to 4 minus 2p square. All of you got this? Online jara jara so Mehak, Suji, then Mariam, Haseen, Shireen, Rafiq, then Rafsan. All got? Everyone got, guys?
Yes.
Rafsan, Mehak?
Yeah.
Fine. Imo?
Yeah, bro, I got it.
Cool. Chalo then. Let's go with the C part now. C part A. Where? Huh? B part 9. Oh, BSA. Sorry, I forgot. Okay, now given that A2 is 0, they gave you A2 to be 0. What was my A2 by the way? A2 equals to what? 0. Find the value of P. So a2 0 তো already এখানে আছে আমার কাছে লেখা, right? I already have that. So can I write p square minus 1 equals to 0? P is equal to root of 1, which is going to be plus minus 1. Okay, find the value of p, but ওরা বলছে n is greater than 1. আচ্ছা আর কিছু বলে না, ওরা p এর ভ্যালু p is less than 0, so your answer will be minus 1. ওরা specifically বলছে p is less than 0. Saw that? Understood? You understood how I got p as 1 plus minus 1? That part you understood? No. Okay, they said a2 equals to 0. What is my a2 equation? This was my a2 now we found. Okay, if I bring the 1 on the other side, the 1 becomes positive and square goes on the other side becomes root. Okay, so root of 1 is what? Plus minus 1? Yeah. Okay, but is it 1 or is it plus 1 or minus 1? To know that, minus 1, because they said p is less than 0. Clear? Clear? Everyone clear? Fine then. Let's go with C part over here. Now, C part I will give you guys to do the chance. Okay? Say so, follow it and let me know. Wait, what is it? Any test tomorrow? Test, I'll let you know. Wait. Resume recording. C part, some of you, I think most of you guys couldn't even do. Okay, online people, I hope you guys are with me. Okay, tumra jano, what was p? Minus 1. This is a1, right? What is a2? 0. How? আমি যদি minus 1 square di, minus 1 square minus 1 কত? 0. So can you see, out of 200, hundreds of them are 0 and 100 of them are minus 1.
Why
Okay.
did you do minus 1 square, whatever you said?
Because they said this is p square minus 1, right? a2. What is p? Minus 1. Minus 1 square. Achha, okay. Can you see the everything is repeating over here? Mani dushoda value take out of 200, 100 of them are what? 0 and 100 of them are minus 1. All of you got this? So how do you know minus 1? Because দেখো দুশোটা ভ্যালু প্রতিটা alternate value for 0 আসতেছে, প্রতিটা alternate value for minus 1 আসতেছে। তো 200টা যদি ভ্যালু থাকে তোমার টোটাল, ওখান থেকে 100টা ভ্যালু কি থাকবে? -1। আর 100টা ভ্যালু কি থাকবে? 0। ঠিক আছে? So what's your total here? -200। কেন? What is 100 into 0? 0। There you go. Let's see the C part. Okay, C part check করো ওরা কি লিখছে। Answer is -100. Online everyone
Why
got
not
it?
from minus 1?
Okay, দেখো -1 0 -1 0 -1 0 এবার 200 বার হচ্ছে, ওখান থেকে 100 বার কি -1। So what's your sum? 100 into তোমার -1 যদি 100 বার হয়, কেউ যদি তোমার থেকে 1 রিয়াল 1 রিয়াল লুটে ফেলে, তো what will you, and your balance is already 0, for example তোমার ব্যালেন্স কত থাকবে? -100 রিয়াল। Okay, একজন স্মার্ট আছে, এতে আমি 0 0 লুটবো। Just saying, money basically, let's say your bank is quite safe, you cannot steal any money, other people cannot save, basically other people cannot steal money from there. So how much is that guy can steal? 0. 100 বার try করছে, every time he got how much? 0. What says this thing? How much he got at the end of the day? 0. So if you total, -100 plus 0 is what? -100. I can't believe I have to explain you these things. Okay, বুঝছো? বুঝছো? Maria, understood? Online, Suji, Mehak, Salma is gone to Bangladesh. Like she will be back, whatever. Yalla, everyone, understood? Guys, Galib, Rakib,
Yes, understood.
Rafiq. Okay then, acha Galib, when you are speaking, please speak a bit loud because I can't hear you. Okay, don't worry, my projector, new one will have 10-watt speaker. Yeah, so flexing right there. It's WXGA. Okay. Okay. Ajay, somebody's there. Button tip down. Button tip down. Button tip down. Actually, button tip down. Somebody. Thank you. Cool say. Okay. তোমরা সবাই write down the value of 199. প্রথম ভ্যালু কি ছিল? -1. So 199 টা কি থাকবে? 0 থাকবে। Because last এর ভ্যালুটা কি -1 হওয়ার কথা, এর আগের ভ্যালু কি হবে? 0 হবে না? আমার লাগছে 0 আসবে 199। চেক করি। Oh, -1 odd number. Odd number. Let's see. Okay, 1 is an odd number. So okay, here there is a relation. Odd is -1, even numbers are 0. So 199 is an odd number. So it will be -1. What is it? I'll show you. Wait. You have 1, you have 2, you have 3, you have 4. So prothom number ta ki chilo tomar? First term koto? -1. Second term koto? 0. তারপর থার্ড টার্ম কি -1, ফোর্থ টার্ম কত 0। ক্যান ইউ সি ইভেন নাম্বার কি আসতেছে আর অড নাম্বার কি আসতেছে? সো 199 কি -1, কেন? ইটস অ্যান odd number. I hope it is clear with the online people, everyone. Now let's go with 5G thingy. Homework দিচ্ছি তোমাদেরকে আমি এটা। Okay, now let's see. Okay, please write down the homework. This for tomorrow. Exercise 5G. Exercise record হচ্ছে তাহলে তোমার ভাইকে শুনাই দিব।
Tomorrow we have chemistry.
Exercise 5G লেখো। Pausing the recording. Recording. Okay, homework is exercise 5G. Please write it down. Everybody write down the homework. Question number 5 and question number 7, please. Okay. Page number কেন বলতে হচ্ছে আবার তোমাদেরকে? 102 and 101.
102.
Yeah. It's 5 and 8.
7.
5 and 7. Okay, let's start over here now. Let's go to the next one. A sequence is increasing or a sequence is decreasing. Let me see. Okay, you guys will be able to do A part and B part on your own. Just have a look at it. This is exactly what we did few moments back, right? Okay, yes, it is. Just check.
Yes.
Okay, I will give you guys 2-3 minutes. Finish A and B for me. Okay. After that, I'll tell you what is the meaning of increasing and decreasing or periodic. I'll let you guys know that. Okay. Pratham A part ta finish karo. A part. State whether at least 4 terms. Find the 4 terms. Yeah. Find first 4 terms. Okay. Pausing the recording. Recording. Again, dekho. Tumra 7, 10, 13, and 16 paisa. Can you see it's an increasing? The sequence why? Because it's you can see the number is increasing, right? So because your next number is always more than your previous number, so therefore it is increasing. Let's go to the second one. Second one, it's a decreasing because your un plus 1 when your next number is less than your previous number. Okay, now let's talk about sine 90. Okay, what did they say? Sine 90 n, money 90 into 1, 90 into 2, 90 into 3, so and so. Okay, this is a periodic. Why it is periodic? Because your numbers are repeating again and again. Can you see that? C part korar dorkari nei. You understood C part, but na? They said 90n. N mane hocche 1. 90 into 1. 90, 180, 360. See the question. 90n. Ki? বুঝছো? Okay, chalo. So can you see this is known as periodic? বুঝে গেছো সবাই এটা? Clear then. আমি এটা এত বেশি করতেছি না। Okay, find the order of the sequence. You know what? I'm not doing this. Okay, now let's start modeling. Oh ho. Now I'm going to teach you regarding money. Okay, so you know why I emphasize so much on this one, this particular thing is that I already taught you regarding this in your O level a bit. Okay, recently I did this as well. Okay, I've been doing this from last 3-4 years. Okay, now you can I'll have to give you warnings that interest is haram. Okay, now I can start teaching. Like it's like I heard someone say, I know I'm teaching, I can teach, but I have to warn that I'm teaching you something. Of course, my religion interest is not haram, so I can. Okay, no, that's what I'm saying. I recently, like 2 days back, I didn't keep this one like this. Okay, you have to keep money in a bank. You have to keep money in the bank, and the bank will give you something known as compound interest every year. Every year, your money will increase by certain percentage. Okay, you have no idea. Many people, when they take loan, just because they don't have any idea regarding the interest concept, ওরা বুঝে না, ওরা বলছে ভাই আপনি এটা আপনি 10 লাখ, আপনাকে আমরা 20 লক্ষ টাকা লোন দিব, ব্যাংক বলবে আপনাকে 12% ইন্টারেস্ট দিতে হবে। But he doesn't understand 12% টা কত। Like একটা মানুষ যে শিক্ষিত না, if you say him ভাইয়া 20 লাখের 12%, right? You will not be able to, like as a this thing unpad and all, you will not be able to say okay 12% 20 লাখে কত আসে, হ্যাঁ দিয়ে দেন, আমার এমার্জেন্সি এখন দরকার পড়ছে, obviously start a business, আমার business অনেক রান করবে, then I'll pay you the money back. But what he doesn't understand, that person, or what you guys, once you grow up, you should understand regarding money and the bank concept, is that interest part is very important. When you take a car loan, এখানে অনেকে গাড়ি ফাইন্যান্সে কিনে, অনেক তোমাদের আব্বুরাও কিনছে, ওকে? সো তোমাদেরকে ফার্স্ট থিং তোমাদেরকে দেখতে হবে কত পার্সেন্ট ইন্টারেস্ট দিয়ে কিনতেছি ওটা। ফাইন্যান্স মানে ফাইন্যান্স হচ্ছে the company will pay on your behalf, তোমার কাছে এখন 10,000 রিয়াল নাই, ওরা আচ্ছা একটা কাজ করো, another company, যারা ফাইন্যান্স কোম্পানিজ আছে, ওরা বলবে যে আচ্ছা ভাই আমাদেরকে 3,000 রিয়াল দেয়, বাকি 7,000 রিয়াল তুই মাসে মাসে 200 রিয়াল 200 করে ভর।
আচ্ছা
ডাউন পেমেন্ট, হ্যাঁ ওটাই। কিন্তু ইউ হ্যাভ টু অ্যাকচুয়ালি চেক what is the percentage interest over there. অনেক সময় কি হয়, আচ্ছা one of the reason why do you think interest is haram, has been declared haram, because it was misused by some people. How? তুমি let's say ইনাম, ওকে, ইনাম আমার থেকে টাকা দাম নিছে 1 লাখ টাকা, বলে ভাই 1 লাখ টাকায় তুই মাসে আমাকে 1,000 টাকা করে দিবি। কিন্তু ও যদি আমাকে 10 মাস পরে পে করে, ও আমাকে 1 লাখ টাকা না, ও কি দিবে, how much he will pay me, 1,10,000 টাকা। এরকম যদি ও 2 বছর করে নেয়, 1 লক্ষ টাকা নিয়ে ওতে কত দিতে হবে আমাকে, 24,000 টাকা দিতে হবে আমাকে। সো দ্যাট ইন্টারেস্ট ইজ অ্যাডিং আপ না। লেটস সে হিজ কন্ডিশন ইজ সো ব্যাড, ভাই আমি পারতেছি না, আমি তোকে 5 বছর পর দিব, 5 বছর পরে তো 1 লাখ টাকা সুদ উঠে গেছে। সো এরকম করতে করতে অনেক জমিদার বলে যায় বড় they used to give money to poor people and they would never be able to pay it, and they would become their paid slaves, like paid slaves they will become. This is one of the reason that interest is haram actually, because people can exploit other people. Some banks do that. তুমি নিজের ঘর কেনার জন্য ব্যাংক থেকে টাকা নিছো, এখন লেটস সে বাংলাদেশে তো এগুলো চিপ না, সো 1 কোটি টাকা নিছো তুমি, লেটস সে 1 কোটি টাকা তোমার 10% করে আসলো, তোমাকে 1 লাখ টাকা মানে মাসে কি উঠবে, ইন্টারেস্ট উঠবে তোমার, ওকে? তো if you can pay, the bank is happy. If you cannot pay, they will take your building, তুমি তোমার বিল্ডিং ও হারাবে, তোমার ইন্টারেস্টটাও অ্যাড আপ হতে থাকবে। they will sell your building with 2 crore, ফায়দাটা কি, ব্যাংকের হয়ে গেছে, তোমার কোনো ফায়দা হবে না, ওই 2 কোটির মধ্যে ওরা ওয়াপস করবে না, because they took over your লোন নিয়ে ব্যাংক yeah sure, ও গুড আইডিয়া বাই দ্য ওয়ে, হয় না? আচ্ছা অনলাইন ইন্টারেস্টের কনসেপ্টটা তোমরা বুঝছো তো না? ওকে, ইন্টারেস্ট ইজ হারাম, সাম পিপল ডু, ইন্টারেস্ট ছাড়া ব্যাংকের চ্যানেলটা চলেও না, ইন্টারেস্ট ইজ দেয়ার, because you cannot expect somebody to give missing by আমি তুই আমাকে 20 লক্ষ টাকা দে, আমি তোকে 20 লক্ষ টাকা দিয়ে দিব, কিন্তু ও দিবে বলতে তোমাকে 20 বছর পর দিছে। After 20 years, do you think that 20 lakh টাকা will have same value what এখন আছে? You understand?
How much is 12% interest?
12% interest যদি গুনতে চাও, if okay let me teach you guys, this is something though I already taught you guys in O level.
No, you didn't.
I did. Okay, let's say তোমাদেরকে এখন এটা তোমাদের প্যারেন্টসরা জানে কিনা আমি জানি না, তোমার প্যারেন্টস কে বলতে পারো if they are okay with it. আমাদের বাংলাদেশ এখানে ওমানের জন্য, ওমানে না বিদেশির জন্য, আমরা যারা বাঙালি আছি, there is something known as wage earner development bond.
Yeah.
Okay, WEDB. Okay, if you keep money over there, okay, with the government, okay, let's say you kept 10 lakh over there, okay, 1 tens 100,000 10,000 lakh 10 lakh, let's say you kept 10 lakh over there, তোমাকে 12 listen, তোমাকে 12% যদি ইন্টারেস্ট দিতে হয়, you guys remember 1 plus r by 100, so 12% interest, right? এটা তোমাকে 5 বছর রাখতে হবে গভর্নমেন্টের কাছে। This is genuine thing I'm teaching you here, এটা really হয়, I did like this only one of them. Okay, so now you guys put this in your calculator, দেখো 5 বছর পর কত হবে, এটা চেক করো তো একটা তোমরা। After 5 years, how much will the money be? Check. চেক করো না তোমরা, আমি পজ করতেছি, তোমরা আমাকে বলিও। ক্যালকুলেটর সবাই করো এটা, resume recording. So you got, see, you let's say you have 10 lakh with you which you don't want to use only, you know you are financially stable, কিন্তু 10 লক্ষ, listen 10 লক্ষ টাকা যদি এখন রাখো, এখন 10 লক্ষ টাকা যে ভ্যালু, 5 years later that 10 lakh rupees will not have, or টাকা will not have same value. So you have to somehow increase it, right? How? You can put it in some kind of bonds. In many banks give bonds, সুবিধা দেয় ওরা, বন্ড, হ্যাঁ আমাদের কাছে টাকা রাখেন, I will give you interest. Okay, now so government gives you, this Bangladesh government, not any bank, this government, this is there in Oman. If anybody wants to do it, they can get in touch with me, I can just say you where to go. Okay, that is your, as I said, it's a personal choice. Okay, so তুমি বসে বসে 17 লাখ টাকা তুমি কামাই ফেলছো 5 years, so imagine যারা 1 কোটি লাগতেছে ওদের কথা হবে।
This is where your money goes, right?
I most of the time I keep half here in Oman and half I always transfer to Bangladesh, because nobody knows that basically where am I supposed to where will our final destiny is going to be. Okay, so yeah, if in my case I need money over here for my expenses here and I need to go there also. In Oman my reals are not increasing. In Bangladesh if I send, at least the money is increasing, right? That is the reason. And I'm not doing any business. Business is risky. That is the reason, because I'm not good at business.
You're a rich guy.
I'm not rich. I'm alhamdulillah middle class. Okay. Okay now. So all of you understood how these things works. Everyone here understood how these things work. Minimum I don't know how much is it. I can check the documents if you want. I have it.
Investing crypto.
Huh? This is for US dollar. This is the document.
Invest in crypto.
Crypto risky again. This is guaranteed.
No, not risky. Like আপনি দেখেন না কতগুলো আছে।
আরে ভাই ক্রিপ্টোর প্রাইস লিসেন বিটকয়েনের প্রাইস কখন পড়বে তুমি কিভাবে জানো?
বিটকয়েন চলে গেছে।
Okay, Ethereum then. Ethereum is there. Ethereum's price also can go down. Who knows?
না এটা না
Look, what I'm saying here, I'm not saying Bitcoin, I'm not saying cryptocurrency is bad. Suno na. I'm not saying cryptocurrency is bad. What I'm saying is that this is a guaranteed income after 5 years, no risk. They're not going to eat your money. You're getting my point? If like your dad or your dad, everybody's dad is a good businessman over here. Okay, if they're good businessmen, they can convert 1 real to 2 real within 1 hour. I'm not that good. For me, if the money photocopy machine. That's right. Okay, so it is your আমি তোমাদের দেখো তোমাদের মাইন্ডের মধ্যে আমি একটু করে এটা পরে গিয়ে তোমরা যখন when you guys will reach 2025 you guys will think about this like what Bhaiya said. Okay, if then also if you want my advice I can, I'm more than you guys are more than welcome. यार चुप থাকো না এখানে রেকর্ডিং হচ্ছে তো. Okay, now let's go to the concept now. So I hope I was able to give you guys some insight how to increase the money but slowly. Okay, never trust a person who say bhai ek masher moddhe double hore diyo. Never trust that person. 25 din mein paisa double. Never trust this kind of person. Okay, because there is nothing in this world that can make your money double. Okay, let's start. Ahmed starts a new Ahmed starts a new company. In year 1 his profit is 20,000. Okay, now he predicts guys he predicts his profit to increase 5,000 every year. 5,000 every year, so that oil kire should I complain again? Okay, 5,000 year মানে কি প্রথম বছরে 20,000 ওর কি প্রফিট হবে ফার্স্ট ইয়ার বিজনেস, and every year he is predicting the প্রতি বছর 5,000 করে ওর প্রফিট ইনক্রিজ হবে। মানে আজকে যদি 20,000 থাকে কালকে কত হবে 25,000। Okay, and so that in year 2 model to be 25,000, year 3 30,000 and so on. He predicts this will continue until he reaches 100,000. মানে ওর প্রফিটটা এক্সপোনেনশিয়ালি বাড়তে থাকবে, straight line, not exponential, straight line, as long as he reaches 100,000. এরপরে because দেখো there is nothing known as unlimited profit না, একটা টাইম আছে after that your profit will never go, you cannot earn more than that. It depends on company to company though. Okay, fine. এরা বলতেছে calculate the profits Ahmed business in the first 20 years. So প্রথম 20 years এর মধ্যে ওর প্রফিট কত হবে? Okay, so প্রথম বছরে কত প্রফিট 20,000, সেকেন্ড বছরে কত 25,000. So এরকম করতে করতে 20 years 20 n এর জায়গায় কি লিখবে? n will be what? n is equal to 20. a is how much? 20,000. Okay, d common difference কত? 5,000. Okay, do this 20 years এর মধ্যে মানে 20 বছরে, যখন 20 বছরে পা দিছে ওর প্রফিট কত চেক করো। আমি this thing pausing the video.
By the way, he's
Okay,
a very bad businessman.
so now what happens is that this guy, you guys found 115,000, but what you forgot that his profit will not increase more than 100,000, right?
Yeah.
So that means within that 20-year period কোনো এক টাইমের মধ্যে 100,000 রিচ করে ফেলছে আগে থেকে, right? So what did they say? Calculate the profits Ahmed business in the first 20 years. Let's see.
19th year.
No, let's see. And what is actually in a part what he's trying to do is they are trying to find the total profit. Here they made a mistake actually. They had to say us my total profit kota. You understand? আচ্ছা তোমরা প্রথমে আমার জন্য একটা জিনিস করে দেখাও, all of you guys say me 20 years এর মধ্যে 20 years এর মাঝখানে at what year did he reach his profit to be 100,000?
16th year.
16th year?
Yes.
She's saying 16. Can you guys confirm that for me? মানে সামটা করে দেখাও আমাকে যে 16th year এর মধ্যে
16 না sorry 17.
17th year 17th year এর মধ্যে ওর প্রফিট 100,000 রিচ হয়েছে, সবাই আমাকে অনলাইনে করে দেখাও আর অফলাইনে যারা আছে। Sujata, I hope you are understanding. I'm pausing, okay? So what happens, some of you were not able to understand what's going on over here, so you guys are going to give me the values, okay? You guys have the textbook with you, anyone who can give me the values? Okay, you know what, okay, now what was his first amount? 20,000, right? First amount was 20,000. And what is the common difference? 5,000.
Yes.
Yeah. And how many years? 20 years. What are we looking for? We are trying to find in that 20 years total কত sum. This is sum, by the way. I know that in the question they did not make it obvious that they want sum from you, but they're saying they calculate the profits. So how much profits did he earn? Basically, how much total profit did he earn in that 20 years? What happens here is that let's find, because we know within that 20 years somewhere in between he reached his 100,000 goal per year goal. Okay, so what happens over here? Let's find a plus n minus 1 into d. What's your final value? 100,000 is equal to a plus 20,000, no? A plus n minus 1, not n. We need to find the value of n because we don't know at what year did he start earning 100,000. n minus 1 into d. What is d? 5,000. তোমরা এটা করতে সবাই না? কত পাচ্ছ n কে? 17. That means for 17th year his profit was increasing. From 18th, 19th and 20th year it was always what? 100,000. ঠিক আছে? So that means in last 3 years how much did he earn profit? 300,000. And in the first 17 years we are supposed to find it. Why? Because it is varying. Which formula? Sum formula. Sum formula what? Arithmetic series or sequence. Okay. So sum of is equal to n কত বছর? 17 বছর. n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. করে ফেলো, কত বছর চেক করো, ক্যালকুলেটর করো, কত বছর বলো আমাকে। Can you use a plus l wala formula? Yeah, why not? Yeah. Answer. You guys tell me na, calculator dao na. 1,20,000. That means 1,20,000. 1 0. Same the whole number.
20,000.
Sure. 1 tens, 100,000, 10,000, okay, million. Okay. এখানে তোমাকে 300,000 অ্যাড করতে হবে না? হ্যাঁ? Because 17 ইয়ার পর্যন্ত ভ্যারি করছে। 17 ইয়ারে এত কামাইছে। এরপরে 18th ইয়ারে 100,000, 19th ইয়ারে 100,000, 20th ইয়ারে 100,000. So 300,000 total. Understood? Joy. Online, everyone, please start saying yes.
Yes.
If no, then let me know. Online.
Yes.
Yes, understood.
শুধু একজন বলছে যে, বাকিরা বলো।
Yeah, dude, got it.
Yeah.
Okay, fine then. Oh, you want to do the sum? Wait, let me pause the recording. Now, state one reason why this may not be a suitable model. A model ta suitable কেন না বলো? আমরা guys চুপ, এখানে আমরা arithmetic sequence use করছি না, আর আমরা এখানে assumption কি করছি যে basically প্রতি বছরে every year 5,000 is going to increase, but they are asking why this model is not suitable. Yeah, because the profit is not always constant every year. Yeah, this is the reason. Correct. So কি লিখছে মার্কস কি আনসারে লিখছে, it is unlikely that Ahmed's profit, it is unlikely that Ahmed's profit will increase by exactly the same amount each year. Okay, it could be corona, who knows. Okay, Ahmed financial advisor, okay, financial advisor says that yearly profits are likely to increase 5% per annum. Use this model. Annum মানে হচ্ছে per year. Okay, now using this model, now ওকে, এতক্ষণ ধরে আমরা arithmetic series করতেছিলাম, we were doing arithmetic series. Now what does it become? Geometric series, কেন 5%, প্রতি বছর 5% করে বাড়বে। Using the model, calculate the profits Ahmed business after in the first 20 years. Okay, same to same. Okay, keep it like that. It's okay. I'll come and fix it. Please, guys. Okay. দেখো, তোমরা এখানে কি করবে? এখানে তোমরা sum এর ফর্মুলা ইউজ করবে। sum এর ফর্মুলা কি ছিল? Okay, what is it? 5% না? Remember, r is equal to 1 plus your percentage divided by 100. এটা মনে রাখিও। Your common ratio, নতুন কিছু শেখাচ্ছি তোমাদেরকে। Your common ratio is r equals to 1 plus the percentage divided by 100. এখানে percentage বাড়তেছে, therefore plus. যদি percentage কমে আমরা কি ইউজ করব? Minus. So 1 plus 5 by 100. How much is it? 1.05? If I'm not wrong, check your calculator. Wait, I'll let me pause the recording. 1.05. 1.05 is your answer. Key, your R. Your R is greater than 1, na? R greater than 1 hole formula konta? A, open bracket.
R to the power n minus 1.
Are you sure about this?
Yes.
Okay. Bas, এখন start করো। তুমি A জানো, A কত? 20,000 দিয়ে শুরু করছো, right? Okay, R কত? 1.05. Okay, raised to n কত? 20 বছরের? না, ও তো 17 না। হ্যাঁ, you know what? Yeah, this is fine. Minus 1 divided by 1.05 minus 1. এটা করো, আমি একটু মার্কস স্কিমটা চেক করি, তোমরা এটা লিখে রাখো। লাইক দেখো, আমাদের নরমাল যারা আব্বুরা যে বিজনেস গুলো চালায়, মেবি ওগুলো দরকার পড়ে না। They don't need this. Wait, আমি পজ করতেছি। Okay, guys, example 23. Let me do it again from beginning. Okay, again, let me do it again. Look, so here they are talking about folding paper. Let's do it. I just showed you guys practically. Akbar fold korle, what's your first term here? What's your first term? 2. Ajadi, if you fold it twice, what's your second term? 4. If you fold it thrice, your third term is 8. Can you see the common ratio here is 2? Common ratio is 2. So they are asking me, acha, thickness of one of the paper is 0.5 mm. So each time you fold, your thickness is getting double, triple, and all. So thickness बढ़तेছে না? You see this way here. So thickness is increasing na each time you fold. Yeah. So they are asking, what is the thickness if you fold it 4 times? If you fold it 4 times, now 4 times হলো কত হবে? 16. Okay. So that means what? There are 16 times তোমার thickness টা বাড়ি গেছে. So, and how much is each thickness? 0.5. So 16 times your thickness has increased. How much is it? 8 mm. You 5 this কোথায়? Oh, they are taking the 5th term over here. Because first term is this thing. First term is 1. This is first term. যখন পেজটা কিছু ফোল্ডই করো না তুমি। This first term, na? This is second term. Third term. Fourth term. Understood? 4 times you are folding. এরা বলছে 4 folds. 4 fold মানে তোমাকে 5 বার যেতে হয়েছে। Maybe that's the reason they gave you 4, 5. আচ্ছা, I can do this question with common sense. So I'm not even bothering. Why did they give unit 5 though? Anyway, A is 0.5. R is this thing after 4 folds. That is the initial thickness. Okay. We did by using common sense. They did by using ratio. They did by using this ratio. Acha, but আমার মেথডটা বুঝে গেছো তোমরা না? Okay. Let's see the second one. Work out the thickness of the paper after 20 folds. You know what? I can do by my method. Let me do it by my method. What's my common difference here?
Multiplied by 2.
2 na? So what's my thickness first? 2 na? 2. A r raised to n minus 1 na?
Yeah.
A r raised to r কত?
2.
2 raised to n minus 1 20 fold na? 20 minus 1. Check out the 2 into 20 2 into 2 raised to 19. Let's check this. কত? 1048 মানে thickness multiply by 0.5 করো। 52428 plus বুঝছো? Because আমি number of thickness পাই গেছি। first term में, see, they are doing with the help of thickness. I'm doing with the help of how many folds there are. Okay? প্রথমের মধ্যে কয়টা fold আছে? দুইটা না? In the sense, how many layers? These are layers.
Yeah.
প্রথম fold এ, first fold it is 2 layers. Second fold it is 4 layers. So 20 যখন fold করবে, 20 না? 20 folds না? 20 যখন fold করবে, how many layers? So 20 minus 1. A raised to n minus 1 is formula, right?
2 raised to
2 is common ratio. 2 is common ratio. R is 2 না? কি? বুঝে নাই?
a into
বুঝে নাই?
ভাইয়া কত বসে আছে আমাদের তো
বুঝে নাই কিনা বলো? বুঝছো? আর তোমার ওটা টেনশন দচ্ছে যে?
অল দিছে তো এখন
Cool.
ফোন করে আসবা
Okay, good.
হ্যাঁ রেডি
Okay, okay. কাইনাত বুঝছো? বুঝছো সবাই বুঝছো? সবাই বুঝছে? Online everyone got this? They did it differently, I did it differently.
Yeah, understood. Yeah.
Okay. Then state one why this might be unrealistic model. Fold the paper that many times so the model is unrealistic. You cannot fold the paper 20 times. I don't think so. Maybe you can, but
5 times
if it was a love letter in school, you would have folded it and just thrown in the dustbin. 20 ki 100 times you would have done it. Okay.
4 करना
So
सीधे
tomorrow I will continue from here. Tomorrow I'll continue from here. You know what?
ना
It's listen. It seems like our chapter is over here, right? It seems like I'm recording this, huh? But this is new book, and I told you I don't trust new book.
Yeah.
I'll go to the old book. I'll start teaching you from there also, because without those example, your knowledge will not increase. Okay? They have actually cut questions in new book. Okay? Let me give you guys some homework first. Let me give you guys some homework. Okay, let me pause the.
tuition.
Okay, so I'm finishing this part. Okay, tata everyone.
Oh yes. Sorry.